This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome back again. Here in this session, I'll cover a very small topic. Recently during interview questions, interviewer was asked a very simple question. Generally, it's like pretty simple. If you know about that, then it is going to be, of course, every questions are simple. If you don't know, then only it is going to be difficult. The question was, what is dynamic selection? I was also very surprised. My student was there. He said, like, so interviewer asked, what is dynamic selection? What do you mean by dynamic selections? Okay. So during some discussions, I think some discussion was happening. And in that, he said, like, with the help of dynamic selections, you can get that report. Then he simply said, yes, 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 like that. So I'll tell you guys, if the interviewer, whoever is going to ask the questions and all, they are having more than 10 years, 12 years, 14 years of experience. The way you are going to respond immediately, they'll come to know whether you're having understanding of that particular topic or not. Then he asks the counter question, do you have any idea of this dynamic selection, what I'm talking about? Now he's stuck there itself. So I'll tell you, this is a pretty simple thing, guys. Of course, it is there. It has nothing to do with account payable generally, because if you talk about like report for account payable, there also you'll be having these options. If you talk about general ledger report, FB, L3N, there also you'll be having options of these dynamic selections, and even in account receivable also you'll be having options of these dynamic selections. What is the use of dynamic selection, guys? Let's suppose I'll just do one thing. First of all, let me post few transactions, then I'll be able to explain you. FB60. I'm going to post some invoices. Okay. I'm going to post some invoices, guys, and then I'll here save it, and then again, like, let's suppose first of all vendor, save it. Now I'm going to post certain credit memo. From here also you can go, or else directly you can use transaction code FB 65. So look at here, credit memo. If you want to specify the narration here, like against which document number this credit memo is going to be posted, you can specify here, but simply I'm not going to give any narrations here, guys. Okay, because we are testing something else. But generally in real time, if somebody is going to post a credit memo, so invoice number is supposed to be given against which invoice this credit memo is going to be posted. That can be specified here. Save it. Now again, I'm going to post some more credit memo, guys. Let's suppose credit memo, post it, and I'll post one more credit memo. What is this credit memo is already explained in previous session, guys. So you can, hope you guys are able to remember. Now I have posted few credit memo, also save it. Check the reports. FBL1N. Vendor reports, right? So here you need to give the vendor number and execute. If you click on open item, it means whichever the unpaid invoices are there is going to be visible. And if you click on all item, then all the paid and unpaid both invoices are going to be visible. So anyway, even if you're going to click on open item also, since we are having multiple open item, it is going to be visible here. Look at here. This is overdue, and these are not due. sorry, these are the due. In the same invoice which we have posted today, it is going to be due today itself. This overdue due concept again, once I start this terms of payment, then you guys will be able to understand. So look at here, guys. Now what is happening here? So, okay. So here, multiple invoices and multiple credit memo we have posted. Likewise, might be 100, 200 invoices and credit memo we have already posted. Right? Then, or else like there will be a thing called down payment also, advance payment. What is this down payment is also going to be, I'll explain, guys. Don't worry. So down payment is also posted. Now, how like if you want to see that how many credit memo we have posted against this vendor, or how many down payment we have posted against this vendor, or else how many invoices only has been posted. So right now everything will appear. Down payment is also going to appear here. Credit memo is also going to appear here. Invoice is also going to appear. So if you want to see only credit memo, so two things are there. Either you need to select here and you need to click on filter, and then you have to give your down payment. Sorry, you want to see the credit memo. So KZ document type you can give and press enter. Look at here, only these things are going to, credit memo only going to appear. Or else, even you have other options also. If you come back and if you go inside again, that is gone, because the setting which you, the conditions which you have applied, you just applied a filter. So once you came back, filter is gone. We are having one more option. Other option is, so here, like let's suppose this is called selection parameter here, in the sense for which company code you want to see the report. For Tata Motor, under Tata Motor multiple vendors are there. So for which vendor? So here I have given the vendor number, right? Against this vendor, multiple line items are there, multiple invoices are there. So do you want to add some more criteria? So yes, I want to add some more criteria. What criteria, guys? So like whatever the credit memos are there, that only I want to see. Or whatever invoices are there, that only I want to see. Or else whatever the down payment is there, that is only I want to see. So here we are having, if you want, so this is called like selection parameter we are going to increase, right? So you are having, look at your symbol. This is called dynamic selections. If you are going to click here, look at here, now selection parameters are going to be increased. Okay, you just come down under document. We are having here document date. Okay, come here, document type somewhere. Document type, I'm going to give, if you are going to give KR, that is for invoices. So give KR, press enter, and if you execute, look at here, one active. It means apart from this criteria, we have given one more criteria where in dynamic selections, right? Execute. So now what will happen? All the invoices are going to appear. In that, again, furthermore, you want to add some more criteria. Some more criteria means the invoices supposed to appear. Let's suppose you have posted some invoices, right? And now you found there is some mistake. So since if you are going to check the vendor number, in that vendor like 200 invoices are already open item, is going to be shown as an open item, or 500 invoices are there as an open item. So one by one, it is not possible to check, right? If it is 4 or 5 transactions, then easily one by one you can check it. So we are going to add one more criteria. If you are able to remember the date, you can specify, okay, on so and so date I posted. Okay, so let's suppose, so posting date is also you can add here. Click on the down button. Look at your posting date. So let's suppose I'm going to use 16/08/2008. And if you execute, then now look at here, Again, some invoices got deselected. Some invoices got deselected, right? So dynamic selection means what, guys? This is a selection parameter. What is the use of dynamic selections? This is a selection parameter. If somebody asks, what do you mean by generally these questions? This is a very simple question, guys. I was also surprised, like why the interviewer is going to ask such kind of, small questions or easy questions. But I'll tell you guys, nothing is easy. If you know the things, then only it is going to be easy for you. And if you don't know the things, then it is going to be quite difficult. If you haven't heard about this dynamic selections, I'll tell you guys, whichever tutorials you are going to watch, whatever the things are there, you won't be finding anywhere these things. And I'm not saying this is a very difficult thing. This is a very small things only. You have given all the answers, and let's suppose if you have made a silly mistake somewhere, then whatever answers you have given is going to be ignored by interviewer and is going to count the mistake, silly mistake which you have done, right? So this dynamic selection is what, guys? You can say that while what to say, if we are going to check any reports, let's suppose vendor report, customer report, or GL reports. See this dynamic selection I have given here, right? Two active is there. Two active means this and this. You go to FBL3N GL report. Here also you are having. Here also you'll be having. Okay. Likewise, in upcoming classes, there'll be account receivable. There also you are having like customer reports if you want to see. There also you'll be having this dynamic selections. So it is going to increase the selection parameters. Right now, let's suppose if you hide this dynamic selections, so we are having only two things. GL account wise and company code wise, we can say this, see the report. Furthermore, in that GL account, how many transactions I have posted for a particular business area, how system will, how you'll come to know how many transactions you have posted against a particular, for a particular date, against a particular document type, right? And multiple other things also will come into picture, guys. Like since still like very less number of things only I have covered, guys, right? So terms of payment and all I have not covered yet. So even terms of payment wise also, if you want to select, so how it is going to happen? So of course you are having dynamic selections where you are having options of various fields, right? If you click here, so whatever this green color things are there, that is appearing here under dynamic selections. Okay, whatever green color, account group, trading partner, look at here, account group, trading partner, right? Apart from this, like multiple, this whatever this green colors are there, that will appear here. Account currencies, come down here, like, look at here, posting date, document date, assignment. Fiscal year is not appearing. If you click on this side, look at here, everything is assignment, everything is appearing, fiscal year is not appearing. If you have to search fiscal year wise, financial year wise, then you just need to do one thing, double click on fiscal year. Now you just come back here. Fiscal year is also going to appear somewhere. Look at here, it is appearing. If you double click here, it is going to be part of the selection parameter. So this is how what is happening, guys. This is what the use of dynamic selections. This is just going to increase the selection parameters and all. Like you can say that's a dynamic selections. With the help of dynamic selections, what is happening? It is going to give us some additional options in the form of selections parameter. Let's suppose I have to get the GL report. I have to get the vendor report. I want to get the vendor report for a particular vendor. But in that also additional criteria, if I have to give additional selection parameter, I have to give like, okay, in that particular vendor, whatever invoices we have posted, that only I want to see. Whatever the credit memo I have posted, that only I want to see. That to whatever invoices I have posted on so and so date, that only I want to see. That too, again in that additional, like whatever the invoices we have posted on so and so date against a particular terms of payment. Terms of payment is going to be discussed in later session, upcoming session. So whatever the terms on a part against a particular terms of payment, those invoices only supposed to appear. So likewise, look at here how, like, if you talk about the selection criteria, or it's like report supposed to appear based on so and so parameter. So that is going to be given here in this dynamic selections. This is what the use of dynamic selection, guys. Okay, so that's all. Like, since I got a message, WhatsApp message yesterday itself, so I thought like, okay, let me record a video here also, so that you guys also will come to know. So this is what the use of dynamic selection, guys. That's all in this is.